We are here at the Arthur Holm stand in Hall 12, stand 90. My name is Henrik Holm and I'm the CEO of Alberal Display Solutions and Arthur Holm. I'm here to talk a bit about our software and our control system, which is unique for all our motorized products. These products allow you to control all our different products remotely, both on location or even further using the internet to control the monitors. This system allows you also to provide an email if something should be disconnected. And here we see we can divide them into groups and we can control up to 900 monitors at the same time. Our software comes as an open protocol and it works with all the major control manufacturers. If we take a look down here, what we will find is our ERT interface, which has its own web-based server. And then we go to see how the product looks underneath, where you can connect the cables, the Cat5 cables, and you can loop them to the next monitor. So you save time and money on cabling, and they are fixed to install. On top of that, we have addressing based on each one of them, so you start by one, going all the way up. Furthermore, it comes with a termination switch, and this way you can terminate it and you don't need any extra equipment to control up to 900 monitors. If you want to find out more about this product, please visit arthurholm.com.